What if I told you that this avatar was made with zero budget, and she's talking moving, and branded all powered by free AI tools? Yes, you've heard me right, you don't need to pay for it. Hi, I am Fatech Digitals, and today I'll show you how to create your own talking avatar that moves for free. Whether you're a content creator, coach, or business owner, this is your sign to level up with AI.
The first thing you need to do is just to come over to ChatGPT. This is the prompt we are going to give to ChatGPT. Generate a 3D cartoon style African female avatar with medium brown skin, shoulder length natural curls, wearing a t-shirt that says Afitech Digital, smiling confidently with white background, Pixar-style soft lighting in 16:9 aspect ratio with good lighting. Let's give it this prompt for it to actually generate an image for us. So this is the first image that ChatGPT generated for us based on the prompt I gave it, but I don't really like it, right? So what I just need to do right now, just to give it this prompt is for ChatGPT to actually generate a normal like a normal prompt for us to create our talking avatar, right? You say a 3D pizza style cartoon of a young African woman in her early 30s with smooth medium brown skin, expressive eyes, and a natural hairstyle in a high ponytail. She is sitting confidently on a luxurious bed with a plush pillows and a stylish headboard in a softly lit, cozy bedroom. She is wearing a sleek, futuristic loungewear set. The brand new Afitech Digital is elegantly displayed either on her shirt or floating subtle in the air beside her in glowing text, soft lighting, warm color tones, and a premium, inviting atmosphere. She looks intelligent, approachable, and AI powered with a gentle smile, as if she is about to speak. 16:9 ratio, right? So let me know if you want to brand new appear. Okay, so what I need is just that I want the brand name to appear on the clothes that she wore. Then I need her to be holding a laptop while seated on a luxury bedroom. Please add this to the already generated prompt. Glasses, headphones, or any animated tech element around her to push the AI assistant vibes further. Okay, let me say include glasses, right? So let her wear glasses. So it's going to generate the prompt for us again. Blah blah blah. Guinea call. She's wearing t-shirt, the brand name, round glasses that give her a smart and most. She's holding an open laptop as if she's working. Let me know if you're ready for me to generate an image for this prompt. So you can either use ChatGPT to generate your image, or I'm going to show you another site. You can actually copy this prompt and go to there to generate your image. But first of all, let me say yes, because it's asking if it could actually generate an image for us. So I'm going to come back for this image to be generated, but while we are waiting for that, so I can just do, well, you can just go ahead and copy this prompt, right? To open a new tab here, and you need to come to your search bar and type piclumen. Can you guys see it? Piclumen AI. So I'm just going to put this thing into the desktop side, so we are going to have, a full view of everything. So this is how the site looks like. You can either do or to download it as an app, or whichever way you want it. I can say generate for free, and let's wait for that to actually come up. So when you say generate for free, you are going to be asked to sign up and click on create new. So when you click on that, you are going to see something like describe your image, right? So what you just need to do is just to go ahead and paste the prompt. Then you come here to choose the aspect ratio. Since we are making a YouTube video with it, we are going to choose the 16.9. So you just go ahead and click on here to actually create your image. So while we are waiting for that to happen, actually choose two images at a time in order for us to select. So I'm just going to pause this. So guys, as you can see here, this is super fast, right? What I actually did was to choose two images at a time, right? So you can see that it has actually generated two images for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and do well to download this thumbnail, right? So it out, guys. This is super. Do you understand? This is amazing. Like, I love those guys. This is so nice, but I actually love the position of this person, right? I don't know why it will cross a leg, but I think this is super. All right, always click on remix to remix the thumbnail, and let's wait for it to actually create another image for us. So as you can see, another images has been created for us. So let's go back to Chatgpt to check the image that Chatgpt actually generated for us. So you need to head over to your Play Store and download the two apps we are going to make use of. So we are going to make use of Hailulo AI. You can see it right here. What you just need to do is just to press on the download button. While that is downloading, we are also going to make use of Dreamface. So it's coming up already. So you just to do well to click here to download it. So the two apps are downloading right now. So after successfully downloading the two apps, so the first one we are going to make use of is this Hailulo AI. You can see it right here. So you click on it. Since we already have an image, right? So you can see an options here: image to video, text to video. You can actually use this Hailulo AI to generate an image if you don't want to use piclumen, right? So what you just need to do is just to come here and click on image to video. So first thing, you need to sign up, right? So let me just so after successfully sign up, you are going to see something like click to upload image. So all those images that we downloaded from piclumen and also from ChatGPT, I'm just going to pick one of them here. Oh god, I'm confused about the image to choose, guys. Okay, let's say I go with this. Oh my god, I don't need for others, just to pick one image and go with it then. So let's say I go with this. So you just need to upload the image right there. So you are just going to give that image a prompt, right? So what you just need to do is just to click here, and you are going to say something like she is looking at the camera while moving ahead slightly, and her hands slightly. So after giving it this prompt, you just need to type here to finish it. Then when you click here, you can see a camera control, like camera movement, how you want your image to move, to how do you want your image to move. This what this camera, we have free selection there, all those stuff like that. So let's look at what to okay, let's click zoom in, right? So what I just need to do is just to come here and click to create our image. So as you can see right here, we have successfully downloaded the video, right? So this is the first one I downloaded. So the prompt I gave to it, I did not like it, so I had to go ahead with this one. So I think I prefer this one to the first one. So what I'll just go ahead to do, just to click here to download the image. So after downloading the image, we still have work to do, which is for us to go to Dreamface, right? So I'm actually continuing this voice note this morning because I left it there to whenever it will finish downloading. What we are going to be doing with this app is to add voice to the video and to make it lip sync. Do you understand? Tell the video what to do, all of those stuff like that. So the first thing you need to do is just to upload your video lip sync. You click on it. So no, I don't want this one. Okay, video lip sync. Let's click on avatar. So when you click on avatar, what you just need to do is just to bring in the video right here. So let's wait for the video to be brought. So I've actually copied the text I want to use. So what I just need to do is just to come right here and paste all the text I needed for this like all the things I needed this avatar to talk. Okay, so let me delete some part of it, but for my own I just copy the script and I paste it here. So when I paste it here, you are going to come here to where they say voice, right? Remember that this thing has a watermark because we are actually using the free version, so you can see this, but don't worry, we are going to deal with that on CapCut. So you now click on this voice. So when you now click on this voice, we have all voices. We have child, male, female. So let me come right here to these female voices and let's choose a voice.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
You click on this confirm. So when you click on this confirm, we want to change the background of this person here, so any of this background, and you change it. But for me, I will go with the background we had already. So what you don't need to click is just to click here to animate the video. So let's go back to our gallery and check if we have downloaded it, guys. Since we are using the free, okay, this is the main video.
What if I told you that this avatar was made with zero budget and she's talking, moving, and branded all powered by free AI tools? Yes, you've heard.
Do you understand? It's all talking. So what you just need to do,
what if I told you that this avatar was
to go back to your editing app. You come to Inshot, you click on video new. So come here, click the video, you bring it in, and what you need to do is just to tilt the aspect ratio, which is for YouTube videos. I'll move this here, and here is it, guys. So as you can see right here, I have actually removed that watermark and we are just left with the video.
So now you know you don't need a studio, a camera, or even a budget to build your digital twin. If you found this helpful, don't just scroll, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment saying AI ready, and let's build your brand the smart way with free AI tools. I'm a Fatech Digitals, and this is just the beginning.